That's some good times right here.
You laugh like me. Press.
Afro chicks, afro dicks.
Oh, nice. Woo!
Delicioso!
Hey guys, you gotta join the circle.
Yeah. No video.
DJ, you gotta join us.
Laugh like him, man.
Mikey, you gotta join us, man.
Gago, hindi Jem yan, not Mikey, Jem.
Ready?
It's Mikey, man.
No. What? I swear this guy's gone, man.
Oh! Sumasayaw ang puy.
Ang sarap kasi eh.
This better not be on YouTube, man!
No, don't worry, man. I don't even have a YouTube. Well, I do, but I don't use it.
My
So.
name is Tucker Max, and I am an asshole.
Carlo laugh and Carlo laugh.
I can't do it like
Tara.
you do.
Here's the new. Wala na akong gago. Ikaw yung may... Tara, Robert. Let's go buy some.
What is that?
I'm cool like Corlo, man.
Curlo.
Here you go. Holy
The silent type.
shit.
He doesn't say anything, but he's...
I never touched this.
Yo, give me that camera!
Life.
Give me that camera!
He's never used that magic.
Never.
What's this?
It's filming right now, dude.
Is it?
Yeah, it's filming yourself. It's good. Ayos pare, pogi mo pala, man.
Yeah, dude.
See, this is an intervention.
Shut up, man, you fucker.
This is the whole intervention between
Take it.
between
Take the camera. BJ,
yo man, don't shake me around or else I might puke.
Hey guys.
Puke.
Let's take turns. Who plays guitar better when they're drank? When they're drank?
When they're drank. When they're drank. That's the acronym, man.
When they're drunk.
No. When they're drank.
This guy plays the best when he's drunk.
Yo, I think it's out. Is this out or?
Let's see.
Let's not out.
Hindi, 2 minutes lang pala.
I'll show you how to
Punyeta.
do it.
Punyeta.